Bowling is a fun after-school activity at Washington Park School. We asked Ryan and Nunzio to look at this fun sport.
Strikes, spares, and snacks. It's all part of the Washington Park School Bowling Club. More than 130 students, 3 busloads from grades 6 to 8 participate in the weekly fall club that starts in late September and runs through November 6th. Each student has his own reason for participating.
I like to hang out with my friends and I love bowling.
Because it's fun and I hang out with my friends.
Because it's fun and I get to hang out with my friends.
Most students chat with their pals, some nibble on snacks. A few do homework while others listen to music.
Go on my phone and hang out with my friends.
Hang out with my friends and bowl.
Just bowl and have a good time.
Many students are new to bowling, while others have been striving for strikes for years.
This is my second year playing and I usually get a score around 300.
I've been doing bowling for 1 year and I usually get like spares.
It's my 3rd year.
While you're having fun, most strive for number 1.
Students look forward to the trek to T-Bowl lanes in Wayne. It is a unique away-from-home opportunity to step away from their routine. That's why it's been around for 15 years. Ryan and Nunzio, TBN.